dollar Swiss and short in Kiwi dollar and Bitcoin. I'll walk you through what I have trading starting here top down here on the daily chart here on dollar Swiss. This is yesterday's candle. This is day before yesterday's candle. And yesterday's candle closes with the body candle close below day before yesterday's candle, which would initially give me a sell side drawn liquidity. But you can see here in today's candle, price has already swept the sell side liquidity resting below yesterday's candle. So this would trigger a buy side delivery, as in price has swept out the sell side. Now we'll seek out the buy side. So looking for liquidity, the buy side liquidity to be swept here. So a buy side drawn liquidity, or a let's say possibly a counter drawn liquidity perhaps. I haven't identified how I want to call these yet, but basically this is the drawn liquidity has been met, and now the opposing drawn liquidity is being sought. And then here on the 4-hour chart, we can see price action here delivering to the sell side, and then pulling back here to the buy side. So sell side or bearish on the 4-hour. Here on the 1-hour, bullish price action. We get a body candle close here and get these series of bullish fair value gaps here, or buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiencies. And with that happening, this would indicate a trending market here on the 1-hour chart. And then on the 15-minute, also bullish price action here with the swing low here. And then you can see price pulling back and then continuing here to the buy side. And then if I come over to my execution charting here, you'll see this is my 1-hour dealing range right here, and price reached equilibrium here in that dealing range, also in the series of fair value gaps. And then here on the 5-minute chart, you can see price here put in a market structure shift. So you have a low put in, a lower high, a lower low, and then this higher high put in here, creating this market structure shift to the buy side. When that happens, I wait for a pullback back down to the market structure shift level, or to the change in the state of delivery level. In this case, I chose the change in the state of delivery level, which is here, where you get this sweep here of this sell side liquidity, and this here is the candle that started that sweep, so I went for an entry at that level. And then since then, price has been consolidating, but overall delivering to the buy side. And I have added to the position here, or put on a series of positions. And then my target is the liquidity at the high of yesterday's candle, which all of these have the same profit target, which is 0.7750, 0.77570, which is the high of yesterday. Next up is Kiwi dollar. So Kiwi dollar here on the daily chart. So this is yesterday's candle. This is day before yesterday's candle. Yesterday's candle gives a body candle close above day before yesterday's candle. But then you can see that today's candle here sweeps out this buy side liquidity. So then price has been delivering here to the sell side. This also swept out this liquidity over here to the left, which is going to be swing liquidity. That was also taken out. So here my target is currently this swing liquidity here, this swing low. That's what I'm currently targeting. Here on the 4-hour chart, we get this price action here where price has delivered to the sell side and formed a bearish pattern here, sweeping out this swing low here. On the 1-hour chart, you can see this price action here with a body candle close below this swing and fair value gaps, bearish fair value gaps forming. And then you see the same thing here in this area. This was during London here, and then this is during the New York AM session, where you're getting body candle close here and a bearish fair value gap. So trending conditions here on the 1-hour chart. And then on the 15-minute, you can see price action here pull back into these bearish fair value gaps here, and price is continuing to deliver here overall to the sell side. Over on my execution charting here, you can see price deliver here. You can see this is my dealing range here on the 5-minute. And this was a trade that I was in that I stopped out. I was trying to go long. I've been reading price action, but the overall price action, not reading the most immediate price action. That's been getting me into some losing positions. So now, or at least I started with reading the internal price action and trading it, then switched to only the external. But finding that with my system, I'm going to need to use the internal price action, or the most current or recent price action, in order to facilitate my trades. But these are the two positions here that I put on. You can see they're right here at the equilibrium level. Also price pulling back into this bearish fair value gap here. So with that, I took these entries based on this pullback. And my profit target, as I mentioned, is this swing low here. So I could easily target the low of yesterday's candle, but that liquidity was swept out before I actually entered the position. So I want to attempt to see if price will trade lower down here to this swing low. I may be asking too much of this position, but we'll see if price has it in it to deliver, since a swing high has been taken out here. So we'll see if the swing low will deliver. And next up, we have Bitcoin. Very similar here on the daily, with the opposing range liquidity being swept. So this is yesterday. This is yesterday's candle. This is day before yesterday's candle. You can see that yesterday's candle gives a body candle close above the day before yesterday candle, but that candle sweeps out the buy side liquidity that I would have targeted, and sweeps out this swing high buy side liquidity here. So with that, looking for price to seek out sell side liquidity, which is going to be down here at these levels here. So this is the next daily level of liquidity here, and then this is the next swing level of liquidity here. So I want to target these with the price delivery algorithm now that buy side delivery or buy side liquidity has been swept. Here on the 4-hour chart, price action is bullish here with these bullish fair value gaps here in place. Here on the 1-hour, structure has shifted to the sell side with the body candle close, putting in bullish fair or bearish fair value gap here. So sell side delivery or bearish price action here on the 1-hour, and similar here on the 15-minute, getting bearish price action here, price delivering overall here to the sell side. And here on my execution charting, go into more detail here on my entry. So similar to Kiwi dollar, I was looking long. If you look here on the hourly, I was using this price leg here, which is very bullish. But now you can see price has shifted to the sell side here. So trying to trade the most immediate price action, as this older information here is not actually current. But you can see here price delivers to the sell side. I'm late because actually I want to catch this trade up here. So right now I'm off sides, I'm below equilibrium here. So this is not ideal. Ideally I'm up here somewhere taking this position, somewhere in this area here. So when this pulled back, this would have been the ideal place to get an entry, or maybe here even. So we'll see how price action plays out here as I'm sitting through this position, as now price is pulling back here more aggressively. But most everything here that I've been trading here has begun to pull back. So we'll see if this is potential pullback before the next leg lower. But again, not an ideal positioning, since my dealing range here shows that I am in an area of discount. So this is where you would want to be buying. But we can see price action delivering here aggressively to the sell side, putting in a break of structure here, and we'll see if price can continue to deliver. We can see another break of structure here, and price pulling back. So ideally this level here will be respected, and price will redeliver here to the sell side overall. And for my targets here, targeting that first level of daily liquidity here, and for the other position, targeting the liquidity resting below this swing low right here. But we'll see how price action plays out. Right now price has been respecting my trade idea overall in all the positions, so we'll see if price will continue to do that moving forward here into today's New York PM session. But yeah, it took a beating earlier this morning between the Asian session, the London session, and the New York AM session, trading the overall liquidity instead of the newest or most immediate information. So if all goes well, even though I am late to some of these positions and took some losses early, there's the possibility of being able to recover. So we'll see how that goes over the course of the remainder of the day into the New York PM session and into the Asian session. If you'd like to know more, visit us at ontilttrading.com. Stay on tilt, never emotional. We'll see you next time.